Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2016 Chevy Trax LT all-wheel drive. Stock number Z8095XX. Only 3,000 miles on this one owner. Clean auto check history report. Blaze red in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. Trax is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility. And backup camera for additional safety. Lots of storage space in the rear with removable privacy cover. And of course, very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors. Again, only 3,000 miles with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio control so you can keep your hands on the wheel, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones to various music apps, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Easy to operate heating and air conditioning, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space with all the owner's materials and USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those. Under the hood, this Trax has a 1.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 138 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for an all-wheel drive crossover. EPA average of 24 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 31 on the highway, and again only 3,000 miles on those tires. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.